Finally, there was John McClane and his family of car racing enthusiasts.
Hello Dragons, my name is John McClane and I'm here with my family from Mississauga, Ontario. I'm here to ask you for $60,000 for 60% of my company, Carbon Be Gone. 50 years ago, I graduated with an honors degree in soil chemistry. I went on to do graduate work at the University of Guelph in London, England. My thesis work dealt with the application of sewage sludge to crops. Yes, I can see you laughing. And after 1 year of standing in sludge up to my knees, I decided that there was a career change that was needed. You think so? I then went on to the university and I got my Bachelor's of Education and began teaching in 1975. In 2011, I retired after 37 years of fantastic teaching experience, 30 years of which was at Central Tech, Yay Blues, in Toronto. Dragons, you may have noticed that I'm wearing this suit, this driver suit. I wore it on season 7 of the Dragons Den, hoping to get a deal with a fellow car lover. But Robert had moved on to browner pastures. But I'm back now, and what I have developed is a solar-powered, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth-enabled beehive. But this beehive is a bit different. It's not for bees. It is for the collection of carbon dioxide. In 2020, I watched this incredible documentary dealing with extraction of CO2, and I said, hey, I can do that, so I came up with these hives. What they are, essentially, they're extraction units using cartridge systems. This is my cartridge. It's a zeolite biodegradable gelatin, and that cartridge is inserted into this system that, as you can see, the cartridge is inside, and this system goes onto a fan. There's zeolite in here, and zeolite is one of the main absorbers of carbon dioxide. I use that system in my hives to collect the CO2. The CO2 can be collected by various means, but I found that this biodegradable system works the best. So I'm here to show you the 2 products that I have developed and I'm going to be selling. I'm free revenue. These are the 2 products. I'm going to show you that essentially these are long-range data loggers, and what they will do, they will measure the various aspects of carbon dioxide removal. They also will measure total volatile organic compounds such as methane gas. And with the plug-in electrodes, it takes this information and sends it to the cloud, which is my database. And on that database, I collect the various values of all the sensor readings from different units. 1 unit by itself is not going to do much. 100 units collecting carbon dioxide will help. 1,000 units, of course, but hundreds of thousands of units worldwide will do an incredible job at removing carbon dioxide from the air. Now, these hives are set up in such a way that I noticed that in Switzerland, Climatech had developed these incredible wind machines. And what they do, they take the air from the outside, pass it through a series of chemicals, in my case, the zeolite in the biodegradable gel, and they remove the carbon dioxide. They then take the carbon dioxide and use it in various other products. A lot of times they sell it to a bottling company. But with my system, what you can do, you can take the biodegradable cartridge or the zeolite, you can cut it up into puck-shaped things, and you can sell them. Now, greenhouses and grow-ops love carbon dioxide. From grade 9 science, I don't know if you remember, but carbon dioxide and sunlight on the plant will produce starch. And this starch is used for the growth of the plant. So what I intend to do with these little pucks is to advertise them as a CO2 puck that can be used for the slow release of carbon dioxide. Now, with these units, the touchscreen unit here that I have, this is Arlene's unit, but this will sell for $169. Now, my cost on this is $69. The littler unit, again, with this long-range antenna up to 5 kilometers, it sells for $139. My cost $39. And how will that work? Okay, what essentially I hope is that schools and private individuals will get involved and they will build their own hives. No, I don't sell the hives, I just give them the information on how to build them. But what I do provide and sell is these units along with the CO2 sensors. Again, we do not sell the hives. All the parts that you see behind me were available online. Most of them I get from Amazon. Now, how do we make money? We make $100 a unit on these. We also get affiliate links for any purchases from Amazon online. Again, remember, this is a global problem that we can solve one hive at a time. So dragons, I ask you, who wants to go on this incredible venture with me and remove and make carbon be gone one hive at a time? I'd be happy to take any questions, and before that, I would like you to come down and have a look at the hives. Thank you. And then I show the hives.